Hey there, welcome to my germ-free home. In today's video, we will be talking about items you need to remove from your bedroom that could be draining your energy. If you believe you are surrounded by energy and you radiate energy yourself, you will agree that it is very important to be surrounded by positive energy always. For every one of us, the bedroom happens to be a solemn place for rest, and that's its sole purpose. And if you take a look across the room, you will find some items that certainly don't resonate with your spirit. Stick with us as we reveal some of the items in your bedroom that don't help preserve your energy. Yes, these items are making you poor, and it's time to get rid of them. The first item in the bedroom that's draining your energy unconsciously is that desk table. Picture this, your cozy bedroom, the sacred haven of dreams and relaxation. Enter the desk, armed with its rigid angles and formidable paperwork. It's like inviting a financial audit to your slumber party. According to the whimsical wisdom of Feng Shui, a desk in the bedroom disrupts the harmonious flow of energy, akin to putting a toll booth on the highway of prosperity. Your bedroom is meant for peaceful relaxation, not for wrestling with spreadsheets and battling bills. The desk, a symbol of toil and turmoil, apparently brings all the financial stress to your resting space. It's like saying, "Hey, poverty, come on in. There's plenty of room next to the bed." But fear not. We're not asking you to choose between your career and comfort. Instead, Feng Shui suggests that it is best to keep the desk table away from the bedroom. It's best to keep the stress of work and money away from the bedroom. You can deal with that in another part of the house. But wait, did you know that hanging onto old pillows might just be the secret recipe for inviting poverty into your bedroom? You see, in the mystical realm of pillowology, not a real thing, but it should be, ancient wisdom suggests that pillows, like fine wine, have a shelf life. They argue that old, worn-out pillows are like magnets for bad energy, and who wants bad vibes snuggling up with them while they sleep? Now imagine your pillow as a financial advisor. Would you take advice from a saggy, deflated consultant who's seen better days? Probably not. The theory goes like this. Old pillows harbor the ghostly remnants of every sleepless night, every dream dashed, and every unpaid bill fretted over. It's like a financial history lesson waiting to haunt your dreams. These ancient, tired pillows allegedly become conduits for the specters of fiscal distress, silently whispering tales of budgetary woes as you attempt to drift into dreamland. So, if you're wondering why your bank account has been performing the limbo lately, it might be time to bid farewell to those pillows with more creases than a crumpled-up receipt. Embrace the fluffier, fresher side of life, where your pillows are plump, your dreams are sweet, and your financial worries are left at the bedroom door. The next poverty-attracting item in the bedroom are cobwebs and spiderwebs. In the whimsical world of Feng Shui folklore, cobwebs are considered the silent architects of financial ruin. But why, you ask? Well, it's all about the energy flow, my friend. Cobwebs supposedly trap and stagnate the positive qi, energy, that's supposed to circulate freely in your space. In their intricate, sticky layers, these silky saboteurs allegedly hoard the good vibes and replace them with a kind of financial quicksand, dragging down your money mojo. So, the next time you spot a cobweb dangling from your bedroom ceiling, don't just reach for the broom, think of it as a financial intervention. Sweep away those silky saboteurs, and with each flick of the broom, bid farewell to the arachnid accountants plotting the downfall of your prosperity. Next up are leaking taps. Ah, the dripping symphony of financial misfortune. Who knew that a leaking tap could be the maestro orchestrating a concert of economic chaos in your bedroom? The constant drip, drip, drip of a leaking tap is more than just an annoying sound. It's a cosmic call to financial calamity. Legend has it that each droplet is a tiny liquid messenger, delivering news of impending poverty to your sleeping quarters. But how, you ask? Well, in the surreal script of this plumbing play, a leaky tap is like a leak in your financial dam. It symbolizes the slow and steady drainage of your monetary resources, a gentle siphoning off of your hard-earned cash into the abyss of wasted water and, apparently, impending destitution. So, the next time you hear that rhythmic tapping in your bedroom, don't just reach for a wrench. Consider it a watery warning of wealth whittling away. Fix that leaky tap. And in doing so, seal the floodgates of financial fiasco. Turn off the drip and let prosperity flow undisturbed like a smoothly functioning faucet. Old and worn-out clothes also need to leave the bedroom ASAP. The sartorial saga of old clothes. Who knew that your wardrobe could be a secret passage for the mischievous spirit of poverty? Old clothes are like the ghosts of fashion past, haunting your bedroom with the specter of financial doom. According to the whimsical wisdom of this imaginary discipline, those outdated threads are not just out of style, they're out of sync with the cosmic currents of wealth. Picture this, your bedroom, a sacred space for rest and rejuvenation, now cluttered with the ghosts of outfits that have seen more trends than a runway model. Legend has it that these fashion phantoms carry the energy of yesteryears, each frayed hem and faded print whispering tales of financial distress into the fabric of your living space. Imagine someone giving you financial advice in your old clothes. Certainly not. You are better off taking lessons from the bartender on how to make a good mix than someone dressed in your old worn-out suit trying to teach you about making money. Bid farewell to the fashion faux pas of financial misfortune. Declutter your wardrobe, donate those outdated duds, and let your bedroom breathe a sigh of relief as it sheds the weight of antiquated attire. Dried leaves and plants in the bedroom also spell doom for your wealth and positive energy. Ah, the crunchy conundrum of dried leaves and plants in the bedroom. Who would have thought that your cozy abode could become a haven for horticultural harbingers of financial folly? In the fanciful world of leafy lore, dried leaves and plants are like the botanical banshees of financial misfortune, rustling in the wind to deliver an ominous message. Legend has it that these crispy critters are not just a result of neglectful watering, they're actually the vegetative vandals of wealth. Picture this, your bedroom, a sanctuary of serenity, now adorned with the skeletal remains of once lush greenery. According to the fantastical philosophy of Flora Feng Shui, dried leaves symbolize the withering of financial abundance. These botanical budget bandits allegedly absorb the positive energy in your space and replace it with a barren, leafy wasteland of economic despair. So, the next time you find yourself surrounded by the skeletal remains of your once green companions, consider it a leafy intervention. Those dried leaves are not just shedding foliage, they're shedding financial positivity. Clear the botanical battlefield, water your plants, and let the greenery thrive once more. Next item in the bedroom that acts as windows to wealth are mirrors. Ah, the shattered saga of broken mirrors in the bedroom. Who knew that a fractured-looking glass could be the clandestine courier of financial misfortune? In the mystical realm of mirror mythology, completely made up, but let's roll with it, a broken mirror is not just a fractured reflection, it's a cosmic crack in the window to wealth. Picture this, your bedroom, the sanctuary of sweet dreams, now adorned with a mirror shattered into more pieces than a jigsaw puzzle. According to the whimsical wisdom of reflective Feng Shui, each broken shard is like a mischievous mirror messenger, delivering the news of impending financial doom. So, why is a broken mirror considered a harbinger of poverty? Well, in the fantastical tapestry of reflective Feng Shui, it's believed that the mirror's shattered state reflects, pun intended, a fractured financial future. The pieces supposedly scatter positive energy, like a cosmic confetti of financial misfortune, creating a disarrayed dance of economic calamity in your living space. The next time you encounter a broken mirror in your bedroom, don't just see it as a mere cosmetic inconvenience. Consider it a reflective revelation. It's not just reflecting your image, it's reflecting the state of your financial affairs. Sweep away those shattered shards, welcome a whole mirror into your abode, and watch as the cosmic clarity of reflective Feng Shui unfolds. Ah, the dusty tomes and vintage volumes that double as literary time machines. Who knew that old books and magazines could be undercover agents inviting poverty into your bedroom? Legend has it that old books, like grizzled financial sages, harbor opinions about the past and predict dire financial futures. Meanwhile, magazines, with their glossy covers and outdated trends, act as the gossip columnists of economic misfortune. So, why are old books and magazines considered poverty instigators in this whimsical world? Well, in the eyes of literati lore, these literary relics apparently carry the weight of outdated financial advice and trends, cluttering your bedroom with the echoes of fiscal miscalculations. To banish the specter of financial misfortune, consider a literary intervention. Donate those aged volumes, bid farewell to the magazines frozen in a bygone era, and let your bedroom become a haven of financial wisdom, unburdened by the ghosts of literary financial pundits past. Remember, folks, prosperity is all about the energy inside you and outside you. And when it comes to the bedroom, your personal resting space, you need it to hold all the positive energy to support your health and wealth. Don't just like and comment, share this video with your loved ones, so they too can banish negative energy and poverty spirit from their bedroom. And while you are at it, make sure you subscribe to my germ-free home so you learn all the trick and tips to manage a clean, safe, and successful home. See you next time.